Now, the Van Lady Vandals were in semifinal action this morning for Class 3A. Their opponent, Schneider. This was an early 9 a.m. game, but it was a wild one. Back to Austin for the highlights. Top of the third. Van down 4-2. The bases are loaded. Haley Moore clears up. Then she goes on to score herself after an error, 6-4. Van has the lead. It's now tied at 6. Ashlyn Lovett is at the plate. Look at that sea of red there for Vandal fans. And Ashlyn goes to right field. Kylie Moore was able to come around and score right there. So Van would have the lead 10-6, 7 runs in the 4th inning alone. It's 15-12 in the 7th, and this is how you want to end the softball game right here. Schneider threatening as Adrian Hernandez rips this one to center, but here comes Haley Carter with the gun to home. Haley Moore tags her. That would end the ball game. Way to go, Van. They are celebrating for sure. They are in the state championship game, winning 15-13. Luckily, our man Jeff Schaefer was in Austin, and he has the reaction on Van's big win.
Eric, Van and Schneider combined for 28 total runs in their state semifinal matchup, setting a Class 3A state tournament record. And the Lady Vandals needed all 15 of the runs that they scored to edge the Tigers. But Van not only showed its prowess at the plate, but a never-say-die attitude that now has the Lady Vandals playing for a state championship.
It was hard to keep our intensity level up, and when they got ahead, to not get down on ourselves, and that shows how we play together, and we know we can come back no matter how far we're down.
Our intensity level in the dugout, we're never dead, and so them getting more runs just motivates us to get more runs.
They keep fighting, and that's we talk about. That's the heart of a champion right there, and that's what all you can ask for from those girls.
It's one of the best feelings ever to know that your hard work is paying off, but we'll never be fully satisfied until the championship game is over, and hopefully we come out on top.
In Austin, Jeff Schaefer, CBS 19 Sports.